So your toilet won't stop running. Well, today I'll show you how to make it stop on How to Undo.
How to Undo with Mike Montgomery. That's me.
So your toilet isn't working the way it should. Today, I'll show you how to troubleshoot the problem and get it running properly again. All you'll need are some basic tools like a screwdriver set, an adjustable wrench, along with whatever replacement parts you need for your fix. So let's get started. Before diagnosing any problems, let's talk about the anatomy of a toilet first. Inside the tank, we have two valve systems. The flush valve consists of the handle and lever, the flapper, as well as the chain connecting the two. Next, let's talk about the fill valve. Inside, the floaty thing is called the float cup, and it's what moves the arm up and down to its positive stop, indicating when the water supply should be cut off. The refill tube is what feeds fresh water into the tank, and the overflow pipe is what prevents the tank from overflowing. Go figure. If your toilet won't stop running, the chain connecting your handle to the flapper may be too short and just need a little extra slack, allowing the flapper to close completely. Oh, yeah. If your chain is too loose, it may be preventing the flapper from opening all the way and keeping your toilet from getting a full flush. The key here is making sure that the water level stops on the indicated line on your overflow pipe. If it's too low, your bowl may not be getting enough water to flush everything away. If so, adjust the screw clockwise until the water level meets the indicated point. If the water level is too high, this could be the other reason your toilet keeps running. So adjust the screw counterclockwise until the water level is at the correct position. And sometimes you just want a fresh start, and replacing your toilet is easy also. First, remove the nuts on either side of the base. Then, after making sure there's no water in the tank, pull the old toilet out straight up. There's a good chance you'll need a new wax ring. If so, remove the old one, which, will be gross, then put a new one on. You could even use a new type of rubber seal that doesn't make as much of a mess. Place the new toilet straight down on the ring and make sure it's level, and shim if necessary before tightening down the nuts and bolts. And finally, connect your water supply line, making sure to use plenty of thread seal tape. Now that's how it's supposed to go down. Remember, 1, diagnose your problem, and 2, fix it. If necessary, replace the whole thing and start from scratch. So thanks a ton for watching. Be sure to click here for more How to Undo episodes and here for more in-depth instruction. Make sure and check out live-streamed Homeowner 101 workshops, and as always, hit that like and subscribe button down below. Bye, everybody.